You see this vacuum right here? Well, it sucks. What's up guys, Jason with Little Guy, Big Reviews. If you're new to this channel, I review helpful household gadgets and sometimes outside gadgets. If this interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell notification and get that out of the way. Today, we're gonna be reviewing the Shark Rocket Ultra Lightweight Vacuum. Let's go ahead and get to the testing. Okay, so what you get with this Shark vacuum is this long charging cable. Now, if you look at the back right here, you're gonna notice the charging port. You just press it in right here, just like that. And then you're gonna take the standard 2-prong electrical charger and plug in the outlet. Now, these lights are gonna blink. Each one is gonna go solid. Once you see the 3 lights completely solid, that means the vacuum is fully charged. Now, the vacuum technically has 2 cycles. The very top switch is off, the middle is a medium speed, and the bottom I would call fast speed. Now, if you put them all the way to the top, it'll turn it off. If you come around here to the right-hand side, you'll notice that there's this little trigger. That's like a turbo mode. Now, if you squeeze this and you go full throttle, it's only gonna last you 15 minutes on one run. I use this vacuum all the time for the stairs. Now this carpet right here is what I would call a medium shag carpet. It's not a really thick carpet, so this is perfect for using with this vacuum. Let's see how it performs. What we're gonna do now is put this thing on the scale and see how much it really weighs. As you've seen before, I did the stairs. This thing is super lightweight. Let's go ahead and put it on here and see what it weighs at. All right, let's go ahead and put our feet up on the scale, get it zeroed out. All right, and now we will put this on and see. It's calculating. So this thing is 6.8 pounds. Which is crazy light. So if you're looking for a lightweight vacuum, this definitely is going to be it. Because this vacuum is so light and small, it's really easy to get under things, desks, sofas, and things like that. So let's go ahead and test it out right now. So the great thing about this vacuum, it has push buttons to release all the attachments. Now you can see what I'm gonna do is I use this attachment a lot. Because I'm short, I'm only 5'8", this helps me really reach the top of the ceiling to get all the spider webs, whatever kind of stuff gets on your ceilings. And you can see I can do it without any kind of issues or any problems at all. So not only can you use this attachment to get the things on the ceiling, you can also use it to vacuum the cushions
anything on the couch, especially under the cushions on the couch, and that's where mainly all the stuff ends up anyways, and you can see it does a really good job.
I want to point out that this vacuum is a light duty vacuum. It is not a heavy duty vacuum. So with that being said, this carpet right here is a really thick carpet. So what I want to do is I want to test it out on here and see how it performs. And to be completely honest with you, I feel like it's going to perform lousy, but we need to test it out.
Now that we've done all this vacuuming, it's time to empty it. You just push this button, obviously pop out your trash can, and this latch right here, you pop it down and boom, everything will fall in the trash can. You give it a couple taps, pull out the rest of the debris, close the lid, and it's clean, and you're good to go.
All right, so let's go over some pros and cons. I'm gonna start with the cons. One thing I don't like is there is no docking station for this thing. You're either gonna throw it in your closet or place it somewhere in the corner. The other thing is that you have to plug it in to charge it. Dysons have a docking station and it charges it as well. That's one downfall I didn't like. The other thing is that the runtime is only 15 minutes. I really wish I could see it go at least 30 minutes. That would be a great asset if they can get it to go that long. Other than that, that's the only cons that I don't like about this thing. Now, the pros. There's a lot of pros about this thing. One, it's lightweight. It's only 6 pounds instead of a regular conventional, that 15, 20 pound vacuum. Two, it pretty much replaces your brooms. You don't have to go in the laundry room or your pantry, wherever you keep it, get the broom and the dustpan and then walk it over to the trash can. This thing, if you're at dinner, you drop something on the floor or on your carpet, you vacuum it up and you're good to go. Plus the price point on this thing, I believe is about $40 cheaper than a Dyson. So you really can't go wrong there. I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, please share it on your favorite social media outlet. And also hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Check out these other videos and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.